What's up, guys? Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and I got another product review for you. And this one comes again from Badass Beard Co. So they have a 12-pack sample kit that you can purchase. Because they have so many different scents, you may not know what it is that you're wanting or would like to spend the money on the larger 1-ounce bottles. So you can pick up one of these sample kits and try every scent that they have, and that way you know which one you really want to spend your money on and which one you actually like. So I'm going to put a clip of the samples here. So each of these little bags here contain a sample size of their oil and balm of each scent. All right, so here is the bottle that the sample size of the oil comes in. And this is the size of the sample size balm. So it's about the size of a quarter, roughly. With each one that you're getting that you wear together, you roughly get about a week's worth in this sample size. All right, so when you get the 12 sample pack, you're going to have roughly 12 weeks, depending on how thick your beard is and how much you put in, to be able to try all of them and know which ones it is that you like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some of these and I'm going to show you how to properly apply them. What you're going to want to do is wet your beard. After you got your beard wet, you're going to need to apply your beard oil. It's 3 to 6 drops depending on the length and thickness of your beard. And you rub it in your hands. Ah! Just kidding. Work it into the beard like this. And rub everywhere, all over. All right, then next thing you want to do is apply the balm. After you have got your pea-sized balm, put it into your hand, work it in, and rub it into your beard. And the last thing you do is use your Badass Beard Care brush. Brush it all in. Got you smelling fresh and clean. So Badass Beard Care, love their products. If you want to check them out, this 12-pack sample is a great purchase. You can check out all their scents, try it all out for yourself, and discover which one it is that you want to purchase for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.